Do I really need a website for my business? I have a large social media presence with a ton of followers. So, will a website really make a difference for my small business? If you're asking yourself these questions, my answer is 100% yes, your business needs a website. And here's 9 reasons why. Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Maureen from thecreativeimpact.com, where I help creative entrepreneurs, coaches, and bloggers with strategic show up website design, templates, and business trainings so that they can stand out, sell more, and stress way less about the design and tech in their business. If this sounds like information that you're interested in, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the little bell right next to it so you don't miss any of the videos I post on this channel each and every week. Real quick, before I get into the 9 reasons why your business needs a website, I want to let you know that I'm hosting a free 3-day website workshop starting on Monday, November 7th, where I'm going to be showing you how you can create a stunning and strategic website, even if you're tech challenged, even if you're strapped for time, or you're on a budget and can't spend 3,000 plus on a private web designer. We'll be discussing website strategy, the 5 essential things your website must include to convert visitors into customers, and the exact steps to follow that will have your website up and running in a few weeks, not months or years. To sign up, go to thecreativeimpact.com/website workshop, all one word, or click the link in the show notes below to sign up. All right, let's get into the 9 reasons why your business needs a website. So, number one is a website helps you stand out from the hobbyists. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, a website, it sets you apart from those who are just dabbling online. It really makes a statement that you take yourself and your business seriously. Those who haven't made that commitment to go all in their business often try to make their business work by just posting and selling on social media alone. Now, you may get some sales this way if you have a great funnel in place or if you're just lucky, but you can increase your sales dramatically with a website. And why is this? Well, number 2 on the list is that a strategic website gives you instant authority and credibility. First of all, people are going to learn about you on social media, but they're going to be checking out your website to learn more about you. A website it's kind of like your digital business card. It lets your audience know who you are and it helps establish your expertise and credibility. People are much more likely to do business with someone they trust, right? And the first place that potential customers go to check out your testimonials and how you can help them is on your website. The third reason why your business needs a website is to showcase your work and your expertise. So, no matter what type of product or service you offer, a website is an amazing place to showcase your work exclusively. Your website can really do the talking for you by displaying an image gallery of your products or a portfolio of your work. It can house videos. I embed all my YouTube videos within my blog posts. And a website can also really display testimonials very nicely to further communicate your skills and why you are the right person to help your ideal client. The fourth reason your business needs a website is that you own it. This is so important to understand. You do not own any of those social media platforms that you're on. That means if Facebook or Instagram or TikTok decides to shut you down, decides to shut your account down one day, you lose all your followers, all those years of hard work building a following and brand gone. Now, this doesn't mean that social media shouldn't be part of your online business strategy, but it definitely should not be your only strategy. You do not want to put all your eggs into social media. Your website, it's really your own little piece of the internet that you own and can control the narrative on. You're not at the mercy of the constant algorithm changes on social media. And this is so important in today's constantly changing social media landscape. All right, coming in at number 5, a website helps you expand your reach. When you optimize your website and content on your site for search engines, also known as SEO, you can show up in Google and other search engine searches. This is huge. The more optimized your site, the more visible your business will become. And it's a really cost-effective way to expand your reach and grow your business substantially. And this can only be done with SEO on a website. Reason number 6 of why your business needs a website is that a website effectively builds an email list. An email list allows you to build that connection with your audience that you control. And again, a website is a very powerful way to turn visitors into leads. Again, with all the algorithm changes occurring on social media sites these days, less and less of your audience is seeing your message. And as things shift to that more pay to play model where you have to pay for ads to get seen, you cannot be sure of how many of your followers on social media are actually seeing your posts and messages. So an email list is still the best way to reach your audience personally. People typically check their email every day. So if you have an important message that you want to ensure that your audience receives, email is still the best bet. So when a potential customer visits your website, you can offer them a free quick win in exchange for their email address. And this is often called like a lead magnet or a freebie or an opt-in. And if you have a blog on your website, then every single blog post or piece of content that you're creating should have a call to action to sign up for your freebie as well. This freebie could be in the form of anything from like a cheat sheet or a tutorial, a free clarity call, or anything else that's relevant to your pain point and moves your audience forward and leads them down the line to your product or services, okay? And again, a website is a really effective way to get visitors to turn into leads and eventual customers. The 7th reason why your business needs a website is that it improves customer service. So your website is available even when you aren't. It's accessible 24 hours a day, 7 days a week to answer frequently asked questions and to promote your brand on autopilot. A strategic website allows visitors to quickly learn who you are, how you can help them, what steps they need to take to work with you, and how to contact you if they want more information. Okay, moving on to reason number 8. You need a website because your competitors have one, period. Customers who have a problem will frequently head to the internet as a first step in their problem-solving journey, right? They do research by reading educational content, i.e. blog posts, watching videos, listening to podcasts hosted on websites. And if and when they're interested in buying or investing in something to help them solve their problem, they're reading reviews and testimonials on your website before deciding to do business with you, right? Now, in the digital age that we live in, customers really expect businesses to have a website, and they will often consider a business without one as less professional and reputable. So if your competitor has a website and you don't, you could really be left behind. And the last reason why your business needs a website is a website has an excellent ROI. It is one of the best investments that you can make for your business. And it's very likely that you will earn back that website investment quite quickly. The cost of web design does vary, but now it is easier than ever to get an affordable, professionally designed website template that you can DIY with the ability to just plug and play your information and images into. So you don't need to know much tech. You don't have to be tech savvy or have a huge budget. It could not be simpler. So there you go, 9 reasons why your business needs a website. You now know the why, but what about the how? How do you actually create a website? Now, I know it can feel super overwhelming and confusing to know where or how to start when it comes to building a website for your business. So again, beginning on Monday, November 7th, I'm going to be hosting a free 3-day live training where you're going to learn how you can create a stunning and strategic website, even if you're tech challenged, even if you're strapped for time, even if you're on a budget and you can't spend that $3,000 plus on a web designer. We're going to be discussing website strategy, the 5 essential things your website must include to convert visitors into paying customers, and the exact steps to follow that will have your website up and running in a few weeks, not months or years. You'll also have the opportunity to ask me any questions that you have, and you'll get the chance to win some amazing prizes. So get registered today. Go to thecreativeimpact.com/website workshop or click the link in the show notes below to sign up. I am so excited to be doing this to teach you how to build a stunning and strategic website that helps you get more leads and sales into your business. That's it for today, guys. I'll see you in the next video.